see all things very carefully. So first of all, very good morning. And today I'm going to talk about the shifting into the graph. Just see, as we know very well that shifting of any graph will be occur either along x-axis or along y-axis. There are two axes into the coordinate system. Then the graph will be shifted either along x-axis or along what the y-axis. And you know very well that in x-axis there are two sides, positive x-axis and negative x-axis. Okay, and in y-axis also there are two sides, positive y-axis and negative y-axis. It means there are these four positions. Okay, positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis and negative y-axis on which we can shift the graph. Okay, now the question is that when we shift the graph along positive x-axis, when we shift the graph along negative x-axis, okay, when we shift the graph along positive y-axis, when we shift the graph along negative y-axis. So this is going to be just talk about in this class, and this is very important. Okay, everyone. So first of all, I'm going to just talk about shifting along positive x-axis. Okay, everyone. So draw this systematic diagram onto your copy first of all, and after that I will discuss one by one. Everyone, write down onto your copy. Students, write down onto your copy this systematic diagram first of all. Okay, so just write down now. Shifting of graph along positive x-axis. Write down. Shifting of graph along positive x-axis. Shifting of graph. Shifting of graph along positive x-axis. I am going to talk about shifting of graph along positive x-axis. This one is done. So let the graph of y equals to fx. Fx is nothing, the basic function, basic mathematical expression, okay, is known. यह ग्राफ हमें पता है, जैसा कि कल मैंने बताया था, is known. Then to draw the graph of f of x minus a, f of x minus a, it means this is a is the constant going to be subtracted from variable f of x minus a obtained by shifting graph of fx along positive x-axis at x is equals to a. Just this technique is useful to shift the graph along positive x-axis. When we shift, if the graph of y equals to fx is known, and we want to draw the graph of f of x minus a. Meaning of f of x minus a is the constant is just going to be subtracted from the variable. When the constant is just going to be subtracted from the variable, then in this condition we have to just shift the graph of fx. जो हमें basic function का graph पता है, we have to just shift that graph along positive x-axis, where we shift along positive x-axis at x equals to a. Okay, students. So just write down, everyone. So here we have to just shift the graph of y equals to fx along positive x-axis at x equals to where beta? At x equals to a. Okay. Now we get the graph of required one. Just see onto the board, everyone. An example I'm going to just talk about. Example. Let me want to draw the graph of y is equals to x minus 2. This one. Just see onto the board. What is going to be happen? constant is just going to be subtracted from variable. This is variable x, and this constant 2 is going to be subtracted from the variable. Then what we have to do? The basic graph, first one, we have to draw the y equals to f, y equals to x. The basic graph y equals to fx, we know very well that how to be drawn the graph of y equals to x. This one is the graph of y equals to x, everyone. As you know very well that. Now what we have to do? We have to just shift this graph along positive x-axis. This is positive x-axis, along positive x-axis. Where beta? At we have to shift the graph along positive x-axis at where? At x equals to 2. So this graph is just going to be shifted along positive x-axis where at x equals to 2 onto the graph paper or into the graph. Okay, so we have to just shift this graph along positive x-axis. By shifting it, we get the graph like this one. Shifting means we have to just this one graph, we have to just take this one graph and shift it as x equals to 2. Okay, now we get the graph of, now this is the graph of, this one is the required graph of y equals to x minus 2. This one is the very easy step to draw the graph, and this is the shifting along positive x-axis. Now this is the required graph of y equals to x minus 2. Okay, everyone, so just write down onto your copy, everyone. Okay, students, it's clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So क्या करना है? We have to just shift the graph of basic one. Basic graph is what? X, and we have to along positive x. Where? At x. When the constant is subtracted from the variable in this condition. Okay, so just write everyone. Now, let one more graph. I'm going to just draw, and you should also try to draw the graph. Okay, so just write down the graph of y is equals to, second example, the graph of y equals to this one, second one, y is equals to x minus 2 whole square. This one, just see. Now this is quadratic in x. So what will be the graph of? Basic graph of regarding this, the basic graph is y equals to what? X square. And the graph of y equals to x square, we know very well that. ये ग्राफ हमें पता है क्या होता है ग्राफ, कल बताया था. The graph of y equals to x square is like this one. This is the graph of y equals to x square. We have to just draw. And after that, what we have to do? Just see. Here the constant is subtracted from the variable. Always keep in mind, when the constant is subtracted from the variable, then this graph is going to be shifted along positive x-axis. So here the graph is just going to be shifted along positive x-axis, and where? At x is equals to what? 2. So we have to just shift the graph along positive x-axis at x is equals to where beta? 2, and here x equals to 2. So we have to just shift this graph. We have to just pick this graph and put onto the x equals to 2 generally. Okay, when you put the graph at x equals to 2, then we get the graph like this one. Shape and side never be changed. Okay, so now this is the graph of y is equals to x minus 2 whole square. Right on. So this is the easier technique to draw the graph. Okay, right on, everyone. Have any problem anywhere, you can easily ask. Okay, students, it's clear? Any doubt anywhere? Okay. Any doubt anywhere? Aman Singh, any doubt beta?
Yes, sir. कैसे पता चल रहा है कि y एक्सिस की तरफ?
हाँ, देख लो, देखो ऐसे पता चल रहा है y इक्वल्स टू यहाँ क्वाड्रेटिक है ना, इसका मतलब है बेसिक ग्राफ होगा. This one graph is basic x square का.
कैसे पता चलेगा नेगेटिव की तरफ जा रहा है?
Now variable में से constant subtract हो रहा है. 2 is going to be subtracted from the variable. Okay, that's why this graph is going to be shifted along positive. Okay, and where constant है उसी पे, at x equals to 2. Without changing shape and size, we have to just pick this position at 0. 0 position just going to be shift at x square. Simply. Yes. Any other doubt?
सर हर क्वेश्चन में 2
No,
ग्राफ
sir.
बनाना पड़ेगा.
First of all, we have to draw the basic graph. Okay. And after that, final graph. Right? This is तो आया हुआ है. So that's why we have to draw the basic graph, and after that, apply the concept of shifting to get this graph. Okay. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Now draw one more graph based on it. After that, we will discuss. Next one. Draw the graph of y equals to. Draw the graph of y equals to mod x minus 2. चलो. Mod x का भी graph हम जानते हैं. Now we have to just draw the graph of y equals to mod x minus 2. So draw the graph of y equals to mod x minus 2. Just see. Now what will be the basic graph? Basic graph will be y equals to mod x, because this is modulus function, and we know the graph of y equals to mod x. We know very well that it. So first of all, we have to just draw the graph of y equals to mod x, and mod x is like this one. You know very well that. ये हो गया. After that, we have to see the constant is just going to be subtracted from the variable. So when the constant is just going to be subtracted from the variable, then what we have to do, beta? We have to just shift the graph at x is equals to where, beta? 2. Okay, to all of you. So here we have to just shift the graph at x equals to 2 by picking this graph which is at the position of origin at x equals to 2. When we shift, then we get the graph this one. Shape and sign never be changed, and this one is the required graph of mod x minus 2. Just write down. This simple technique. If you any doubt anywhere, you can ask. It is clear to all of you? Any confusion, beta? Anyone? Any confusion into the graph?
No, sir.
Sir, what would be the graph of y equal to x square minus 2?
Y equals to x square minus 2. Here the 2 is not going to be subtracted from the variable. 2 is going to be subtracted from the function x square. X square is another expression now. So here the x square में 2 subtract हो रहा है. तो इसका concept अलग है. अभी हम लोग सारी शिफ्टिंग करने वाले हैं. It is going to be clear. Okay? Okay ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to be just start with the next shifting along negative x axis. So just write down shifting of graph along negative x axis. Shifting of graph along negative x axis. Shifting along negative x axis. So we are going to just shift the graph along negative x axis. How do we shift? Just see. Let y equals to fx known. Okay. Then to draw graph of y equals to f of x plus a. Now constant is just added into the variable. What is going to be happen? Constant is added into the variable. Variable is x, and this constant is just going to be added into the variable. So when the constant is just going to be added into the variable, then in this condition, shifting along negative x-axis is going to be happen. Then to draw graph of y equals to f of x plus a, we shift the graph of y equals to fx along negative x-axis at x equals to minus a. Write down this one, simple. So this is the two in basic step to draw the graph of f of x plus a. It means when the constant is just added into the variable, then in this condition we have to shift the graph along negative x-axis. Okay, and where? At minus a. जो यहाँ पे ऐड हुआ है उसी की नेगेटिव पे we have to just shift along the negative x-axis. Okay, by this we get the graph of y equals to f of x plus a. Just see an example, going to be clear more. Just write down first of all these two steps onto your copy. Okay, students. So just see Let me want to draw the graph of this one. First one example. Y is equals to x plus 3. Just one. This one, just see. Your variable is x and constant is 3. This is going to be added into the variable. When the constant is added into variable, then first of all, we have to draw the basic graph. Basic graph is y equals to x. So first of all, we have to draw the graph of y equals to x onto your copy. Draw it. This is the graph of y equals to x passing through it. Now, where we shift the graph, we have to just shift the graph along negative x-axis. Negative x-axis at x equals to minus 3 parallelly. So here we have to just shift the graph, just parallel to the old one graph at x equals to minus 3. After shifting the graph, we get the desired graph look like this one. Just see onto the board. X is equals to minus 3. So this is the graph of y equals to x plus 3. Just like this is the required graph. Y equals to x plus 3, students. So by this way we get the graph. If the variable constant is added into the variable, then in this condition we have to shift the graph along negative x-axis at x equals to minus 3. Right on, students? Clearly? Okay. Any doubt to anyone? Just tell me. Any doubt anywhere? If you have any doubt, you can easily ask. Yes, student. Any doubt anywhere? Student?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is shifting on x-axis. First one was along positive x-axis, and this one was along negative x-axis. Okay. Let's draw the graph. One graph by yourself. Okay. Draw a graph by yourself. Yes. Draw the graph of y equals to mod x plus 4. Draw the graph of y equals to mod x plus 4. Mod x plus 4. This one. What we have to do? We have to just draw the graph of mod x first of all. So this is the graph of y equals to mod x. Now we have to shift the graph along negative x-axis. When we shift the graph along negative x-axis, where at x equals to minus 4, then we get the required graph. It means the graph of mod x plus 4. So by this way we get the graph of y equals to mod x. Right down. Okay. So we are the easiest step to draw the graph of a such type of function by shifting the graph along either positive x-axis. Positive x-axis कब होगा? When the constant subtracted from the variable. Negative x-axis कब होगा? When the constant is subtracted from the added from the variable. Okay, everyone. So just write down. Yeah, the example based on to the shifting along x-axis. Now I'm going to just talk about shifting along y-axis. So just write down shifting of graph along y-axis. Shifting of graph along first of all positive y-axis. Positive y-axis. This one. Shifting of graph along positive y-axis. Let the graph of fx known. Then to draw the graph of y equals to fx plus a. Now here constant is just going to be added into whole function. It means whole mathematical extension. So when the constant is added into the whole mathematical extension, okay, to draw the graph of this one, shift the graph of y equals to fx along positive y-axis at x equals to minus a. Now you will get your answer. Okay, who is asking that question? Now you will get the answer. Okay, that the graph is going to be shifted at the point x is equals to minus a when constant is added into the function. So in the situation when the constant is added into the function, then in this condition we have to shift the graph along the positive y-axis. Positive y-axis means above to the x-axis. Okay, just we have to shift along positive y-axis. Okay, just write down, students. Let's see an example. It is going to be clear more. Let we want to draw the graph of. Yes, the said one, x square plus 2. This one. Just see. When we draw the graph of y equals to x square plus 2, then what we have to see? Here x square is a function, as you know very well that it means mathematical expression. So first of all, we have to draw the graph of y equals to x square. Now, constant is just going to be added in it. Okay? Here in this and this one. These two are different. ये दोनों same चीजें नहीं है, as you know very well that. This is x plus 2 whole square, constant added into variable. And here, constant added into x square, not in x. Okay, so just keep in mind. Okay, so here we have to just draw the graph of, first of all, y equals to x square, and after that we have to shift the graph along positive y axis. We get the desired graph. So just see, as we know very well that the graph of y equals to x square is parabola like this one. This is the graph of y equals to x square. Now what we have to do, we have to shift this graph along positive y-axis at where beta? At y equals to 2. Where we have to shift? At y is equals to 2. When we shift the graph along positive y-axis at y equals to 2, as you know very well that y equals to 2, we'll obtain over here. So we have to just shift this graph along positive y-axis and we get the graph of y equals to x square plus 2. Just see. Now this is the graph of y equals to x square plus 2, and we obtain by shifting the graph along positive y-axis. Okay, so just write down everyone onto your copy. Shifting of graph along negative y-axis. Shifting of graph along negative y-axis. We want to shift the graph along negative y-axis, students. Okay, when we talk about the shifting of graph along negative y-axis, so here if graph of y equals to fx known, then to draw graph of y equals to fx minus a. Now constant is subtracted from overall function. Okay, fx minus a, we shift the graph of fx along negative y-axis at y equals to minus a. At y equals to minus a. Just right. So here are the two basic steps. First of all, we have to draw the graph of y equals to fx. It means the basic function. And after that, we have to just see the constant is subtracted from the function. So that's why we have to just shift the graph of y equals to fx along negative y-axis. Negative y-axis means below to the x-axis at y equals to where? Minus. So just write down onto your copy. And let us see an example based on it. First example, y equals to x square minus 2. This one, just see. Now this constant is going to be subtracted from the x square. X square is the basic one. So first of all, we have to draw the graph of y equals to x square. Okay. And the graph of y equals to x square, everyone, we know very well that this is the graph of y equals to x square. What we have to do, we have to shift this graph along negative y-axis where at y equals to minus 2. So here we have to just shift the graph along negative y-axis at y equals to minus 2. When we shift the graph negative y-axis at y equals to minus 2, we get the graph like this, and we can draw it as this one. So this one is the required graph, y equals to x square minus 2. Right. So by this way, we draw the graph of any given mathematical expression by shifting the graph along either positive x-axis or negative x-axis, positive y-axis or negative y-axis as required. Okay. Now let us see some more graph, everyone. Draw the graph of this one. Question number 2. Y equals to mod x plus 3 and the 4 1. Y equals to mod x minus 3. Just see. Here 3 is going to be added into the whole mod x. So first of all, we have to draw the graph of y equals to mod x. Y equals to mod x is this one. This is the graph of y equals to mod x. And after that, we have to just shift the graph along positive x-axis at x equals to 3. So at x equals to 3, we have to shift the graph. When we shift the graph at x equals to 3, we get the graph like this one. We have to shift the graph. Okay. So we get the graph, this one, and this is the graph of mod x plus 3. Right over here. You can easily draw such type of graphs. And the third one, what is going to happen? Here in this one, constant is subtracted from the overall mod x. So that's why we have to shift the graph along negative y-axis. Okay. So just draw this one graph, and after that, next one. So the third one, what we have to do, first of all, we have to draw the graph y equals to mod x. It means this one. And after that, what we have to do, we have to just shift the graph along negative y-axis at where beta? At y equals to minus 3. We have to just shift this one. So after that shifting, we get the graph like this one. Now this is the graph of y equals to mod x minus 3. This one. So these are the techniques and the shifting into the graph, students. So just write down onto your copy. If you have any doubt anyway, you can easily ask.